The strychnine tree, Strychnus nux vomica, is a small to medium-sized, evergreen tree belonging to the Logoniaceae family. Native to India, Sri Lanka, and Southeast Asia, this plant has gained global notoriety because it produces the highly toxic alkaloids strychnine and brucine. Despite its lethal properties, the strychnine tree has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and it remains a fascinating example of nature's duality, harboring both deadly and medicinal qualities. Physical characteristics. Height and structure. The strychnine tree generally grows between 12 to 18 meters, 40 to 60 feet, in height. It has a straight, cylindrical trunk with a dense, rounded crown. The bark is grayish-brown, rough, and scaly, often exuding a resinous when cut. Leaves. The leaves are opposite, simple, and glossy, with a leathery texture. They are typically ovate to elliptical in shape, dark green on the top and paler underneath. The leaves are about 4 to 10 centimeters long. Flowers. Small, greenish-white flowers grow in clusters, emitting a mildly fragrant scent. They usually bloom during the dry season, adding to the tree's ornamental appeal. Fruits. The fruit of the strychnine tree is its most distinctive feature. It is a hard, smooth, orange to reddish berry, about the size of an apple. Each fruit contains 5 to 8 flat, circular seeds that are covered in a silky, fibrous membrane. Habitat and distribution. This tree is native to tropical Asia, especially India, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Thailand, and parts of Southeast Asia. It thrives in semi-arid regions with well-drained soils, often found in dry deciduous forests. The strychnine tree prefers sunlight but can also tolerate partial shade. It adapts to various soil types but grows best in slightly alkaline or neutral soils. Chemical constituents. The seeds of the strychnine tree are renowned for their high concentration of alkaloids, particularly strychnine, a powerful neurotoxin that stimulates the central nervous system. Brucine, less toxic than strychnine but still poisonous in large quantities. These alkaloids make the seeds and bark highly toxic to humans and animals if consumed improperly. Historically, these compounds were used as pesticides and for rodent control. Medicinal uses. Traditional. Despite its toxicity, the strychnine tree has been used in Ayurvedic, Unani, and traditional Chinese medicine for centuries in very small, controlled doses. Some notable uses include digestive stimulant. Extracts of the seeds were used to treat indigestion, loss of appetite, and dyspepsia. Muscle tonic. Small doses were believed to strengthen muscles and treat certain forms of paralysis. Nervine tonic. Historically used to treat conditions like neuralgia and chronic fatigue. However, due to the extreme risk of poisoning, its medicinal use has become highly regulated or even banned in many countries. Toxicity and dangers. All parts of the tree, especially the seeds, are poisonous. Strychnine poisoning can cause severe muscle spasms, convulsions, respiratory failure, death in severe cases. The fatal dose for adults can be as low as 30 to 120 milligrams of pure strychnine, which underscores its lethality. Because of these risks, modern medicine rarely employs it except under strict supervision. Ecological role. Despite its toxicity, the strychnine tree plays a role in its ecosystem. Some birds and animals can eat the fruit pulp without harm, though they avoid the seeds, aiding in seed dispersal. Its dense foliage also provides shade and habitat for smaller creatures. Economic and cultural significance. Pesticide production. Strychnine extracted from the seeds has historically been used in rodenticides and insecticides. Traditional practices. In some regions, tiny amounts of the seed have been used as a stimulant or aphrodisiac, though this is risky. Research. Strychnine has been employed in neurophysiology studies because of its well-documented effect on the nervous system. Conservation status. The strychnine tree is not currently endangered, but over-harvesting for its seeds and habitat loss in some regions have led to localized declines. Efforts are ongoing in India and Southeast Asia to promote sustainable harvesting and educate communities about its safe handling. Key facts at a glance. Scientific name, Strychnine nux vomica. Family, Loganiaceae. Height, 12 to 18 m. Native region, South and Southeast Asia. Fruit, orange or red berries with toxic seeds. Main alkaloids, strychnine and brucine. Primary uses, traditional medicine, in microdoses, rodenticide, research. Risk, highly toxic and potentially lethal. Conclusion. The strychnine tree embodies the paradox of nature, a plant that is both medicinal and deadly. Its striking appearance, ecological role, and historical uses make it an important species in the study of medicinal botany and toxicology. While it must be handled with extreme caution, the strychnine tree remains a fascinating plant with a powerful reputation in both science and folklore.